Want to know when your email has been read? Let me show you how to add a read receipt in AOL Mail. First, open AOL Mail in your browser and sign in. Now, here at the top right corner, you can see the settings icon. Tap on it and click on More Settings. From here, find and tap on Viewing Email. Scroll down until you see Read Receipt settings. Here you can see many options. Choose the one you prefer. Do you find Read Receipts helpful for tracking emails? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If the Read Receipt does not work, the recipient may have disabled this feature or used an email client that does not support it. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.